In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your tokens on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your public profile by hiding unwanted NFTs and how to bring them back whenever you need. Start by opening OpenSea in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account with your wallet connected. If you're prompted to sign a message, that's normal for authentication, and it doesn't cost gas because you're not making a blockchain transaction. Next, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner of the page, then click Profile. This takes you to your collection where you can manage what's visible. If you're on mobile, the layout may look a bit different, but you're still heading to your profile view. On your profile grid, hover over the NFT you want to hide. You'll see a small plus sign appear on the item card. Click that plus to reveal quick actions for the selected token. This selection step helps you target exactly the items you want to tidy up without opening each one. From the quick actions, choose the hide option. It usually looks like an eye with a slash through it. Confirm if OpenSea asks you to proceed. Hiding is a display preference on your account. It doesn't remove, transfer, or burn the NFT, and it doesn't change ownership. It simply keeps the item out of your public view, which is helpful for spam airdrops or pieces you don't want featured. To confirm that it worked, look for the hidden filter in your profile. Click Hidden to switch to that view. You should see the item you just hid listed there. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment or refresh. Sometimes the change takes a second to sync. If you want to bring an item back, stay in the hidden view, hover the NFT again, click the plus sign, and choose Unhide. Confirm if prompted. The NFT will return to your main collection so it's visible to anyone browsing your profile. This is fully reversible, so you can hide and unhide items as your collection changes. A quick recap. Open OpenSea, go to your profile, select the NFT using the plus, and choose Hide. To review or reverse it, open the Hidden filter, select the item, and choose Unhide. No gas fees, no change in ownership, just a cleaner public gallery. Use this to manage spam drops and keep your profile focused on what you want others to see. Thanks for watching, and keep your collection organized with confidence.